Hello wet shavers, welcome back to Wicked-Whiskers, and if your first time on this channel, it is a very high possibility that this razor brought you here. So, R41, many of you love it, hate it, or even are afraid of it. But for me, this is perfect German razor, also very affordable. Comes with standard M5 thread, so if you're using already some other razor or you have disposable handle like this RazorRock Bulldog, you can switch it easily. Not to mention that R41 head comes in price range of about 7 to 10 euros. Entire razor, depending on the handle, might be up to 30-35 euros, and the only drawback from it requires a little bit quality blades. So I'll be using Wilkinson Sword DE blade, and I will continue with this rose gold handle. Classic open comb razor with very familiar bite but very little blade exposure. So let's lather up quickly and continue with the shave. For the shaving soap I'll be using Stay Traditional. It's still refusing to dye. I have about 115 shaves with it. So I refreshed it with water a little bit. It comes in a glass jar, which might be an issue for shipping, and Omega Elite fiber brush. Let's just wet the face a little bit and start lathering. As you can see right now, there is a lot of these tiny soapy particles, like tiny pimples. So we will add a little bit more water. And the soap itself is very citrusy, almost like an orange peel, maybe like grapefruit, but it is so nice and nourishing for the skin that after Stay Traditional I almost don't need to use any aftershave products. So with R41, don't be shy to add a little bit more water to your soap. Your skin will definitely appreciate it. Now I can really feel the water on my skin. Which means that lather is really coming through the whiskers. And since I usually shave very fast with R41, have very little touch-ups, I find it much more important to dedicate a bit more time to lathering process compared to the shave itself. Okay, let's start with the shave. Pretty nice frisky sound Also very easy to rinse off all the residues. So it always surprises me how they make R41 to have such a small blade gap, so little of blade protrusion, and yet to achieve such a high level of efficiency. So yeah, almost clean on the first pass. Let's continue on the neck. And when the blade is brand new, like this time, I try to repeat the same amount of strokes with each side of the blade, so it deteriorates equal on both sides. Yeah, just a tiny bit on this portion only. Let's not forget to switch the side. So far, I could stop shaving right now, but I still have a few things to mention about this razor, so give me a second for a second lather up and we will continue. So, we're back in business, and my greatest advice with R41 is don't repeat entire face unless you need to, or unless you're filming for YouTube. So, first of all, I never do, or rarely, really, against the grain passes. But what I figured out is sometimes I need just a little bit of this across the grain movements. You can hear that the whiskers are targeted at a different angle. And so far I can say that razor is extremely comfortable. I don't have sensation of blade chattering. I don't feel like I would grab a little bit of loose skin. So I'm just giving R41 opportunity to grab any loose whiskers. And so far it is doing its job wonderfully. Now one thing to mention, these are not cuts, because this is after all an open comb. Which means that if you suffer from any skin imperfections, some ingrown hairs, some pimples, some skin bumps. It is going to clean everything off. So after the aftershave splash, at least in my case, all these micro bleeds are stopping. And my skin, when it recovers, feels much cleaner and much nicer compared with safety bar razors. So this is just some tiny skin crack. For everything else, pretty nice, pretty smooth. So let's apply the aftershave and hear me screaming. Now, regardless of which razor you are using, soap, brush and everything, always do your best to clean all the soapy residues from the skin, because that soap with the skin, especially the damaged skin, is going to cause some irritation. So once you rinse it off, your skin is going to heal much easier. And as you can see, even my bleeding has stopped, so no need to worry about. And for those who are wondering, yes, I'm using Brion, and yes, I'm from Serbia, so a little bit of show off from my side. A little bit of Brion for tingling. Whew! I wasn't expecting this. But it's not so severe. Quite recently I'm using Gillette Slim Adjustable at setting 5. So that thing is a little bit milder and tolerates a lot of stupid things while shaving. While on the other side, R41 does not forgive any mistakes. So as long as you're patient, hydrate your skin, apply good amount of shaving cream, you should be good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, leave me some nice notes, or you can curse me, whatever you feel like, and I see you next time. Goodbye.